Is your company under great pressure due to environmental protection, slow painting efficiency, and difficulty in recruiting workers? The following 1 minute will take you to understand this automatic painting line. It is suitable for surface painting for beam profile, square tube, plate, welded structural parts, etc. From primer to intermediate coat and top coat of surface dry, fully automatic assembly line operation. The whole process can be completed only by 2-3 people. 3D scan workpiece shape. Intelligent spraying. Make the most use of paint. Equipped with intelligent drying chamber. Not afraid of the influence of weather temperature differences, shortening the surface drying time. The surface drying effect can be achieved after unload material. Saves drying time and space. Centralized waste gas treatment to solve company environmental protection problems. Aren't you excited about such intelligent, efficient, and environmental automatic painting line?